ko Japan.
Right.
Na one na janto ya ade bia me dwen se obi a wan hwe show ni bia on Thursday no.
Yeah.
Me dwen was it Thursday and I said Wednesday.
Yeah, I think it was Thursday.
Thursday.
Yeah.
Media menya wo ye babun now person we educated on how Ghana can live from poverty to a first class country like Japan, which to me and I me checks. I'm told that the third largest economy in the world.
Yeah.
Kwasha sa show no akokwa na nyana janto ade FM pa. It was a properly academic exercise. Ah yeah, meton kakra kire. Na president Mahama ko na flight na ade nyina aba. Let me state this. I want for some opinion on it. I had issues with Okujo Black Brown or a bit of security detail to so it's on my Facebook. It's what happened with Mabumidi and Washashe, those posts, you know. Mr. President, the Kamenya Kasad and Yefen say took room Kakababy or Nam and the flight with the papa. I was see a dream say, me dreams are not large in a conversation here about a born and a private jet and Hammer President Kufa the net here. See, Benja be a waffum. That's what mine and the bedroom saying cut off fra. Media okay. I don't subscribe to president of a country going commercial. That is my view. I could be a comparison between Western countries in there. Those countries are different. Let me set a personal example. I was one of the few people I met Dr. Elmo. And now Ghana Odi in the birthday and I know my anniversary Kamala Harris, US Vice President Ghana no. Our security checks are me komu nanya sem ketwa. Ghana has said you say President Mama be kumas no come mention yes on comfort to a public transporter. UK public transport and Luxembourg public transport and Ghana dey nyepe. Your flight system na nyepe. So you should be our African word ameti ase. But about travels there, Mr. The dynamics are not the same. It's kebenye bi bibi kitwa bi ebetimi de na kwaba. Na bi na national conversation be fine, but I will stand by the position I've stood on in the last 8 anytime we could just and say some fine details where president and Namha and if playing for route and Namha and the see Binyan ye born from based on our economic condition you better for let's have those conversations. But I'll call Japan good news about good news about say Ghana has secured the major boost for agricultural transformation. I met with Doga Mukaira, CEO and founder of Diggers Limited, who announced $100 million investment over the next 4 years to help establish Ghana as Africa's first AI-powered agricultural hub. Diggers has already financed more than 86,000 smallholder farmers across 122,000 acres, doubling incomes with a 95% repayment rate. With AI-driven satellite monitoring and precision agriculture, we will strengthen value chain from input to market, improving food security and create more jobs for our youth. Anytime I pay kind of verbatim, they say, in that Thursday analysis by you and Anajantuano, Mukan Yama Prente Kufa call China or Kaye, Mukan your call Japan or Kaye, so Kushian Yomo free on him. Because only Ghana in the sea, so from the 50s and the 60s, the first class cannot Ghana there still. They be a cap and a number man for few Kobedi. And the Kokwa or say $100 million in 4 years. Next option is saying $25 million every year. Now, Kokwa say 95 repayment. That means say Uber to can back to the company, so they are investing to recoup their investment. How media say they mean politicians in it. So what I did was I decided to read about the company. This is the gentleman, Mukaira on the president Mama beautiful picture. In this picture, and I be a brand here. I'm born about so. I also attend the GIPC boss. The presentation on there. Come on. I was very, very happy listening to my hopes that investors will really be moved by the presentation of my back. Your one in chair Standoge, Deputy Chief of Staff, President Mahama, and I see you in Sunni. I decided to go on the website of the company. Say, as a CNA, I can't just say GDN, sir. It is them as I'm a cop back the veil.
Yeah.
Aqua Digas and yet in the 2019, a fintech, a great fintech, a fintech, a financial technology. Right. So, for example, a Haptel, a fintech, mobile money, a fintech. What I say, a Sikahu DS, and they are barefoot, a financial technology. That's the meaning of fintech. Startup driven by the vision of changing people's lives drastically. Dramatically. We are dedicated to raising the productivity and income of 600 million smallholder farmers in sub-Saharan Africa by leveraging our proprietary technology platform. Takwa sub-Saharan Africa Ghana waha. So meaning a company no mote no mani so ade hu so mboboa farmers and a kriafo a sub-Saharan Africa Ghana ka ho. Internet also the president Mahama kan in the description in the Facebook post and the Twitter page and okay. That's the first thing. And I kwa me na busa say because me share how they do their financing model no. Almost say almost provide farmers with high quality farming input and other specialized training, equipping farmers with tools and knowledge to maximize productivity. How kwa am picking up word by word. I do open, Miss Me Petty.
Yeah, sure.
Osa specialized trainer Babwa. Kwa sometime I catch us the Netherlands, a top 10 food exporting country in the world. But the land size in the northern region because akokwa nimdiano mo advanced tools no. So 1 acre or do in Tosa or no better be more as in Ghana ni no so do 1 acre. What is the difference? The difference is technology. Yeah. The difference is improved seedlings. The difference is from na wo ye no nimdie bi o suahu bi e wo na chi a Ghana ni na wo ye no ye compare on the same scale a oni sa suahu no. It is a diggers one baba number one quality farming input, which is seedlings can home. Remember specialized training, boy farmers na me jitum. Remember equipping tools and knowledge so boy akokwa the papa. Or say farmers make repayment by delivering a portion of the agricultural output and realize additional income through the sales of remaining crops. Akokwa enye free.
Yeah.
Enye free akwakwati uza me catch say sometimes o kan adena unhu bibi o say ti president Mahama second say diggers has already financed more than 86,000 smallholder farmers across 120,000 acres, doubling incomes with a 95% repayment rate.
Yeah.
Meaning that when they invest, so first you come with your shemu na no metimi age back about 95%, which is good. And ti diggers no say come on website now. Or see, farmers make repayment by delivering a portion of the agricultural output. Now say ye boa now ye bibi na woton a wo de kakra company no this ka be share mu no betua so kakra. But akokwa payment checks no we no aya na ba interest rate is mbia nche da nim sa. So it's a very good thing for the Ghanaian farmers. Ye be sere mo mu benya bi no mu nkodi mu huni.
And I so say beba no omo distributing ye.
Yes.
Yet ya.
Yes.
World Bank this ka buy for rice production.
Yes.
In me cost wo krumo.
Yes. Yes.
It omo fasika no de beba no omo fan target ya de na de be ye.
Ye fan she baby e bebo anya ye. Na kwakwa ye koso nti ade we important ma me ye. So be just baba Mahama baso we NDC ni the reason you free na kwakwa hwade bi. O say Africa's annual food import. Africa's annual food import at 50 billion, set to sell to 90 to 110 billion by 2025 without urgent action. Africa, what the most arable land.
Right.
Africa, what the most youthful population. I want to cover them so cover them kuyen you so bolonia de eka but akokwa ekuiro for them more because they have an older population compared to Africa. You see the dynamics. Akwa with all these favorable agriculture and other climatic conditions, akokwa ye importing food annually $50 billion. 50 billion. Akokwa mama na matter because me meteorology me first degree. You will favorable weather in every continent be a warrior Sibia. You will youthful population. You will arable lands. The arable lands that just say as I see a bit me a dosu pan your work see Africa.
Yeah.
Still you import food to the tune of $50 billion. Article which says you are not careful by 2025 for your Jeremy because article never in 2024. In just 1 year we will do about 90 to 110 billion. So if you go to Japan and the president has brokered a deal where they will bring 100 million to do all these things I've been able to farmers. Akokwa, it's a good thing.
Yeah, it's a class for agriculture.
Now look at Africa there. This is Ghana's one. Because I'm a Ghana bad data and I'm very skeptical. So Ghana statistics I'm skeptical. The United Nations Department for Agric, really plenty of food and jobs. Me expose I'm here and yes, this agency. I want say Ghana 2024. Last year, you imported $3.25 billion. She never be imported akokwa. Never be imported, poultry meat, various meat for dairy products, soup bakery goods, cereals, just say wheat, no pasta, non-alcoholic beverages near there. Russia no Ukraine no much for wheat in Africa. Yes, wheat wiring, brodo wiring. Why?
Poultry.
We have CSIR.
Foods and cocoa.
Akokwa.
Ne ye import waba.
Me na me kodoma pa. Ufiri gwemfie kodoma. If you give them the right capital, why can't they meet our local? I go check any crab ban because of my work. I go check in with deep Peru by 3 years. What they study idea? Ukufia koko, bronya. If you koko ni ukuno. Oh, we have a company out of Friday.
There be no dear force.
So when you even get the agriculture right, even the health and the nutrition of the human population also be advanced.
And preservatives no cry low in the natural one.
3.625 billion.
That's
in a year.
IMF your
3 billion. What President Mahama is doing is good. I'm catching saying
the number person mechanism. If this amount, the export revenue,
when they compare to 2023, we did 2.68 billion. So in a year, so trade, this is about 1 billion. Roughly, we did about 900 to $900 million more. In fact, I got my catch was Burkina Faso. Near President Kufuor friend one village, one dam. Thomas Sankara did it in the 70s. Got one gorge, one village. Read about it. Ghana imported to the tune of about $100 to $150 million tomatoes from Burkina Faso. Right. Burkina Faso, Mumudi. The name of the country means that it's a desert. A desert. But they've been able to see, say, you better be a dear tomatoes. So let's do the system. Carrot in your cotton, and you soon to if be cloud seeding. You can artificially engineer rain in the lab. Nato.
Look.
Maybe a Niger cool see as a Jenica Niger. We can do these things. Now, what means I make us on is because of our demography. Look at it. This Ghana Statistical Service. I say Ghana has a youth as a young age structure with approximately 57% of the population under the age of 25. Population we can channel these energies into agriculture, and we can do it. Look at the mean age of Ghana. There's our age structure. Those between 15 and 24 are 18.66%. What the 54 from 25 to 54 54%. That's quite hard here. Between the ages of 15 to 54, are the way there's 4 2, so roughly about 52% of our population. And we can't do agric. That's why we can't do it because it's not attractive. Because access to funds in the idea. So if you get some of these investments and you can, let's invest right. Let's target key areas. I bet me a diabo so say Ghana there. You can Ghana e you rainy area. Cocoa ne. So prior to for the time called trade surplus. Look at the data. When you strip data, maybe key analysis, you see something. When you disaggregate the data, most of gold and a work also. Timber, manganese and one. You don't see what these things can contribute. And that's why because on president, so this is the mean age of Ghana. Median age 21 years. 21 or Beko University, school farms. We can start with school farms. Let them have a new orientation about agriculture. We can do it. My catch was a champion. The print is there. A champion will be 2 years in the 70s. We didn't import rice. What did he do? It's the dams. We can do it. So that will be my first presentation. For Yakokwa on the Kaizano. Let me also add this. Jeff, don't cut it yet. Let me add this a bit. Akwane Janto Adenami on the Thursday. I'm very happy Americans will be unconscious because of this. What underpinned Japan on the Ghana and start here, Brabono. But I'm going to go to start. I'll go to FM. What talk? You don't say to still a cock man to be I'm saying 20 baby. Now Brabono boni and nuni. I'll say philosophy emphasizes small incremental improvement in productivity, efficiency, and quality. And kakanka cry sense unye bibia. That is the mentality of the Japanese. 2 was a strong work ethic and discipline. Michiremu Thursday, you know. This in a to block achia was a way better. We don't China, Japan support nonsense. I hope what Ted was a long-term vision and strategic planning. In our country, the manifestos nebumai. Not national development plan. In the NDC bar, not no, 8 years no. When people are banana drink 8 years no. We must have a national development plan. So education say near ko. Where my oba so. That is how we need to govern a country. 4 or say. Let me give you some metrics. In the 60s, metremu GDP say o man bo no nyina kawia or Chinese come and manfua. In the 60s and the 50s, now average no many by $1,000, and $34,000. In 60 years.
Seriously.
tie ye niema bi say ya e betimi adura. I'll end it of my first submission.
Right.
Akwa my second presentation no